Melbourne train history. 1878 to 1888. A tale of two Melbournes. Victorian Railways is now the monopoly operator of rail transport in the colony. Railways in Melbourne remain essentially two independent networks however, with Spencer Street the terminus for the Western Lines, and the Eastern Lines running into Flinders Street. The two stations are over a kilometre apart, and the lengthy walk will only be relieved in 1885 with the introduction of Melbourne's first cable trams. Despite this divide, the 1880s land boom will make it a halcyon decade for Melbourne, with an unprecedented expansion of the city's railways. The 1st of December, 1878. Edom Station, later Spottiswoode, opens on the Werribee-Williamstown lines. The 2nd of April, 1879. The final part of the Pakenham line opens between South Yarra and Oakleigh. The 7th of May, 1879. Toorak, Armadale, Malvern, and Caulfield stations open on the Pakenham line. The 14th of May, 1879. Rosstown Station, later Carnegie, and Murrumbeena Station open on the Pakenham line. The 2nd of August, 1879. Prince's Bridge Station reopens. Flinders Street Station was not coping with the additional traffic generated by the completed Pakenham line, and Prince's Bridge is reopened to accommodate the overflow. The 1st of December, 1879. Beaconsfield Station opens on the Pakenham line. The 20th of December, 1879. A broad-gauge, single-track tramway opens between Flinders Street and Spencer Street stations. Although this connects Melbourne's two rail networks, speed limits, night-only operation, and other restrictions make it useful only for freight and rolling stock movements. The 6th of January, 1880. Clayton's Road Station, later Clayton, opens on the Pakenham line. The 1st of May, 1880. Burnley Street Station, later Burnley, opens on what will become the Lilydale line. The 1st of September, 1880. Spring Vale Station, later written as a single word, Spring Vale, opens on the Pakenham line. The 1st of December, 1880. Hallam's Road Station, later Hallam, opens on the Pakenham line. The 15th of May, 1881. Somerton Station opens on the Craigieburn line, located just south of the current Roxburgh Park Station. The 4th of August, 1881. Officers' Siding Station, later Officer, opens on the Pakenham line. The 1st of September, 1881. Edom Station, later Spottiswoode, on the Werribee-Williamstown lines is renamed Bayswater. This is not to be confused with the modern Bayswater Station on the Belgrave line. The 1st of October, 1881. Bayswater Station, later Spottiswoode, on the Werribee-Williamstown lines is renamed Spottiswoode. The 1st of November, 1881. Williamstown Junction Station on the Werribee-Williamstown lines is renamed Newport. The 19th of December, 1881. Part of what will become the Frankston line opens between Caulfield and Mordialloc, with 7 intermediate stations: Glen Huntly Road, later Glen Huntly, North Road, later Ormond, East Brighton, later Bentley, South Brighton, later Moorabbin, Highett Road, later Highett, Cheltenham, and Balcombe Road, later Mentone. The 3rd of April, 1882. What will become the Lilydale line is extended from Hawthorn to Camberwell, with 2 intermediate stations: Glenferrie Road, later Glenferrie, and Auburn Road, later Auburn. The 10th of May, 1882. Narrow Warren Station opens on the Pakenham line. The 1st of August 1882. The Frankston line opens between Mordialloc and Frankston with one intermediate station, Carron. The 1st of September 1882. On what will become the Lilydale line, Burnley Street Station is renamed Burnley, Glenferrie Road Station is renamed Glenferrie, and Auburn Road Station is renamed Auburn. The 1st of September 1882. Glen Huntly Road Station on the Frankston line is renamed Glen Huntly. The 1st of September 1882. Balcombe Road Station, later Mentone, on the Frankston line is renamed Balcombe. The 1st of December 1882. The Lilydale line opens between Camberwell and Lilydale with 4 intermediate stations, Canterbury, Box Hill, Ringwood and Warrandyte, later Croydon. The 25th of December 1882. Blackburn and Mitcham stations open on the Lilydale line. The 6th of June 1883. Montague Station opens on the Port Melbourne line. The 2nd of July 1883. Middle Park Station opens on the St Kilda line. The 13th of August 1883. Surrey Hills Station opens on the Lilydale line. The 7th of November 1883. Showground Station opens on the Flemington Racecourse line. The 7th of January 1884. Balcombe Station on the Frankston line is renamed Mentone. The 1st of April 1884. Sandridge Station on the Port Melbourne line is renamed Port Melbourne. The 1st of April 1884. Emerald Hill Station on the St Kilda line is renamed South Melbourne. The 2nd of April 1884. The Melton line opens between Footscray and Melton, with 2 intermediate stations, Corroit Creek, later Deer Park, and Mount Atkinson, later Rockbank. The 2nd of June 1884. Werribee Racecourse Station opens on the Geelong line, located at the western end of the racecourse. The 1st of August 1884. Warrandyte Station on the Lilydale line is renamed Croydon. The 1st of September 1884. McKinnon Road Station, later McKinnon, opens on the Frankston line. The 9th of September 1884. Part of what will become the Upfield line opens between North Melbourne and Coburg, with 4 intermediate stations, Royal Park, South Brunswick, later Jewel, Brunswick, and Moreland. The 6th of April 1885. The 2nd Williamstown Racecourse Station opens, located just north of Corroit Creek Road, as the terminus of a spur line that will eventually form part of the Altona Loop line. The original Williamstown Racecourse Station on the Werribee line closes. The 10th of April 1885. Flemington Station, later Flemington Bridge, opens on what will become the Upfield line. The 6th of July 1885. Richmond Station is moved to the north side of Swan Street. The small station and the Swan Street level crossing were causing both road and rail congestion through Richmond. The crossing is grade separated and the new, elevated station is expanded to 6 platforms. The 7th of September 1885. Braybrook Junction Station, later Sunshine, opens on the Melton-Sunbury lines. The 10th of November 1885. Pascoe Vale Station opens on the Craigieburn line. The 3rd of December 1885. Flemington Station on what will become the Upfield line is renamed Flemington Bridge. The 14th of December, 1885. On the Frankston line, McKinnon Road Station is renamed McKinnon and Highett Road Station is renamed Highett. The 1st of April, 1886. What will become the Ballarat line is extended from Melton to Parwin, near Bacchus Marsh. From 1862, piecemeal rail extensions from Ballarat toward Melbourne will complete the line by the 4th of December, 1889. The 1st of July, 1886. Laverton Station opens on the Werribee line. The 1st of December, 1886. North Sandridge Station, later Northport, on the Port Melbourne line is renamed Port Melbourne North. The 24th of January, 1887. Glenferrie Station opens on the Craigieburn line. The 1st of February, 1887. The original St Albans Station opens on the Sunbury line, located on the north side of Main Road. The 1st of April, 1887. Kilo Road Station on the Sunbury line is renamed Sydenham. The 30th of June, 1887. Footscray Main Line Station, later the first Middle Footscray, on the Melton-Sunbury lines is renamed Footscray North. Footscray Suburban Station on the Werribee-Williamstown lines is once again the only station called Footscray. The 2nd of September, 1887. The Sandringham line opens between Brighton Beach and Sandringham, with one intermediate station, Hampton. The 24th of September, 1887. The Brooklyn Loop line opens between Newport and Braybrook Junction, later Sunshine, providing direct freight access from north and west of Melbourne to the then important port of Williamstown. While there will not be a public passenger service on the loop, in 1918 a daily service will be provided to transport wheat stackers from Newport to Brooklyn. The 1st of October, 1887. Hampton Station on the Sandringham line is renamed Retreat. The 10th of October, 1887. Murrumbeena Station opens on the Lilydale line. The 26th of November, 1887. The third and final Williamstown Racecourse Station opens when what will become the Altona Loop line is extended across Koroit Creek Road to the northern bank of Koroit Creek, virtually at the gate of the racecourse. The second Williamstown Racecourse Station closes. The 1st of December, 1887. Macaulay Road Station, later Macaulay, opens on what will become the Upfield line. The 19th of December, 1887. The Kew line opens between Hawthorn and Kew with one intermediate station, Barker's Road, later Barker. Barker's Road Station is located south of Barker's Road and Kew Station is located adjacent to Power Street, just below Wellington Street. The 13th of February, 1888. Officers' Siding Station on the Pakenham line is renamed Officer. Coming next. Melbourne train history. 1888 to 1891. The long way round.